So, I bought a new Acer Nitro 5 gaming laptop for $750 from Best Buy, and in this video I'm gonna review and test it in games. Hit the like button and let's start. Got it in this black box. Inside we have papers, a laptop itself, well packed by the way, and a box with accessories, where we have a Nitro branded keychain and a 150 watts brick charger with a power cord. The first impression is how massive this laptop is. This is the first 7.3 inch laptop I'm reviewing on this channel, and it is definitely less portable than the 15.6 inch laptops. The design is pretty simple, rounded corners on the front and some gaming design cooling openings on the back. The whole case is made of high quality plastic. On the bottom it has rubber legs which keeps it stable. The laptop can be opened with one hand, which also proves a good build quality. Ports are located on the right, left and back. We have two USBs and power indication on the right, audio jack, USB and Ethernet on the left, and a power port with a Thunderbolt and HDMI on the back. You can also notice cooling openings almost on all sides. We'll see how it performs in the test. So let's turn it on. It has Windows 11 on the board, and after updating, it's ready to use. We have 7.3 inch Full HD screen here with 144 Hz frequency. Screen looks good. Bigger screen makes web browsing and office work more convenient. The keyboard also feels nice. It has a tactile feel to it and it is RGB. You can even create custom mods with the NitroSense app. Touchpad is not that good. It is usable, but getting a mouse will be a lot more convenient. Let's do a quick run through the hardware specs. Laptop runs on Intel i5-12500H, which is a 12-core 16-thread CPU with a 4.5 GHz max frequency. We have a 8GB DDR4 RAM on 3200 MHz frequency installed. It is a one plate, so you have an upgrade option. 512GB NVMe SSD and an RTX 3050 laptop GPU. In a NitroSense app you can see three modes. All games I ran with a laptop in performance mode and of course connected to the charger. Starting with CSGO, on low settings 1080p, getting 90 to 100 FPS with a good frame time. This game is not that demanding, very playable. Next, Warzone 2.0, settings are set to 1080p low, and in that case getting 50 to 60 FPS most of the time, with a good frame time. It is playable. If you want more FPS, you can also play with DLSS settings. In Apex Legends, getting stable over 60 FPS with a high settings. In all games I tested, fans noise is noticeable, and I would not play without headphones. In Days Gone, getting over 60 FPS most of the time on medium high settings. CPU and GPU temps are looking very good. CPU stays under 80 degrees and GPU under 70 in pretty much all games I tested. If you decide to play on battery, it will last up to 4 hours in the game. NitroSense mods are blocked and in-game FPS will be limited to 30, but still playable. So this Acer gaming laptop delivers good performance. You can expect around 60 FPS on Full HD in pretty much any game. I also think that the 70.3 inch screen makes it good stationary solution. It is convenient to do some office work since you have more space and you get better game experience in my opinion, but it is still portable. You can find a link to this laptop in the description. Also let me know what you think about this laptop in the comments, and I will see you in the next videos.